everybody, my name is Jorge R and I will introduce you the new topic that I will explain how to use a didactic material that is flashcards. The topic is verbs, but not only verbs. I'm going to talking about verbs in all the instances, in present and past simple in this case. Because in the next classes we're going to see what is the past participle. In this case we're using flashcards. As you see, I prepared some examples of what we can see during the process of teaching. For example, I have this one that is drink with this past simple is drank. Also, I have another example that is cook and with his past form that is cooked. You have to emphasize very simply in this case with all the examples that I have in here that all the examples have a different pronunciation. You have to emphasize in the pronunciation, but also you have to see the simple way you have to understand in which way you can make sentences, paragraph, or even tell something about using sentences about the verb. Now, there is something in common you have to explain in here. You have to explain there are two kinds of verbs, okay? For example, remember there are irregular verbs and you have to explain what is an irregular verb. If you don't know it, or if you don't remember, irregular verbs are the verbs who change all the systematic way or the writing to change it to past. Also, we have regular verbs. Regular verbs are those words or those verbs that only have to add an ed or d in to change it to the past. You have to know that. You have to explain that. How you can make it? Okay, writing examples. Also in the board, you can write examples. You can write also, or you can make the participation of the students passing in front of the board. Try to make some competences about what or how they can make these examples and understand. In this case, in many ways, if they have a book also you can use, or you can make the exercises from the book that they could practice a little bit more the exercises and to understand better the topic. Also, if you want, in the book there appear a lot of exercises that work as a worksheet. But if you want more work, you can download or looking for or also elaborate new worksheets with new or different exercises to understand better this topic. This class is, for example, it took at least 35 to 40 minutes to explain, because you have to explain what is a verb, what is an irregular, what is a regular verb. Also, you can make some examples first, then you can show also the examples with using flashcards in this way with pictures, and if you see the word, it's very understandable and it's big to see the words. Also, if the student doesn't know the meaning of the words, they can choose or they can find the way to use a dictionary, right? In this way is to understand the meaning of the words. Remember, if you have also a story and they have to identify the word inside the paragraph or inside the page or inside the whole story, they have to know what is the meaning of each word in the context that it will be explained in the story. This is my video. I hope you enjoy it. Bye bye. Take care.